Hey everyone, welcome back. Here in this video, we are looking at what to do when you come across a vent laying your vinyl plank flooring. So what we're doing here is we're putting the board into place, and I'm simply using a pencil here to mark where that vent is going to be. Those marks, of course, have ended up on the back of the board, and so I am just going to use my measuring tape to transfer that over to the front, and then I'll be able to make my cuts for the vent. You can do that cutting any way you like. We personally prefer using a jigsaw to do that, but making that happen there. The key with doing these vents is to make sure that you actually have two boards running across the vent. So in this case, you can see that long-wise, the board has ended halfway across the vent. And so we're then doing a small piece on the right here so that we have a solid plank going across the vent here. So we're not cutting three different boards. However, if you did end up with the vent in the middle of a board, you would actually want a click to end up down the middle of it so that you are cutting out of two boards, because then you're not trying to make a hole in the middle of one board, you are doing it out of two different boards, which is going to make that cut process easier. So again, here I've just marked the left and right, and then use the measurement from there to know what part needs to come out. And then once that is out, we're going to go ahead and get these clicked into place. So getting that right board clicked in first, and then we'll go ahead and click in the one for the vent there. You want to make sure that the hole that you are creating is the size of the vent underneath, but not very much bigger, because of course the vent cover only covers so much. There's also vent covers that you can get where you actually lay a piece of the vinyl into them for a more seamless finish, but it really is up to the customer. So here you can see that original vent cover can be put right back into place, and you end up with that beautiful finish here. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button to check out other tips and tricks on how to lay your vinyl plank flooring and how we lay vinyl plank flooring on stairs, and we'll see you in the next video.